Hello everyone! Today I am going to show 5 best 4K camera drone 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description and out like the video comment. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Number 5. DJI Digital Immersive FPV System with Air Unit Module, HD image quality, instant playback. DJI FPV goggles support and record in 720p/60 fps and feature a 720p/120 fps HD live view. This high-quality resolution is paired with a latency within 28 milliseconds, delivering a clear view and fast performance. Videos recorded and saved on the microSD card can be replayed instantly through DJI FPV goggles, compatible with analog video transmission. Broadcasting supported. The DJI Digital FPV system can be used with analog image transmission, allowing users to switch between AV and digital video transmissions. Pilots can share camera views with other DJI FPV goggles that are set to audience mode, allowing viewers to see what the racers see. Number 4. Parrot Anafi Drone Foldable Quadcopter Drone with 4K HDR Camera. This drone with a camera equipped with f/2.4 wide-angle ASPH lens, HDR, and up to 2.8 times digital zoom captures spectacular 4K videos, Full HD or 2.7K videos, 2704 by 1520, and 21MP photos without loss of quality. Additionally, you have a timer, a burst mode that captures 10 photos per second, and wizards to take over professional settings. The Anafi Parrot drone can have up to 25 minutes of filmed flight time thanks to an intelligent LiPo battery that optimizes its life and charges 60% faster using the power delivery USB Type-C charger. Operating temperature range -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees C. With its ultra-compact and lightweight carbon frame, 320 g, this quadcopter drone unfolds in less than 3 seconds, reaches a speed of 55 km per hour in sport mode and withstands bullets up. Equipped with a Parrot Sky Controller 3 folding remote control, the Anafi Parrot drone can be located at any time thanks to the activation of your smartphone's vibrator when attention or immediate action is needed, as well as the geofence, Smart RTH, and Find My Drone functions. Number 3. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Mavic 2 Pro Hasselblad camera made in Sweden. Hasselblad cameras are renowned for their iconic ergonomic design, uncompromising image quality, and Swedish craftsmanship. Since 1941, Hasselblad cameras have captured some of the world's most iconic images, including the first moon landing. Co-engineered in partnership with Hasselblad after 2 years of tireless research, the Mavic 2 Pro comes equipped with the all-new Hasselblad L1D20C camera, which possesses Hasselblad's unique Hasselblad Natural Color Solution, HNCS, helping users capture gorgeous 20-megapixel aerial shots in stunning color detail. 1-inch CMOS sensor. The brand new 1-inch CMOS sensor has an active sensing area 4 times more effective than the original Mavic Pro, capturing more information in every pixel for better dynamic range, signal-to-noise ratio, and low-light performance. Effective pixel area 10-bit log-M color profile. The Mavic 2 Pro supports a 10-bit log-M color profile that yields higher dynamic range for more flexibility in the grading room. Number 2. AUTEL Robotics EVO Drone. Bundle includes EVO, aircraft, battery, propellers, plus remote controller, 3.3-inch OLED screen, plus 32 GB micro SD card plus spare propellers, 1 CW, 1 CCW, plus charger plus OTG micro USB and OTG USB-C cables plus micro USB cable, used to charge controller, plus 2 additional batteries plus safety and quick start documents. EVO's powerful camera is the choice pick for award-winning cinematographers and photographers. Boasting 60 frames per second of buttery smooth 4K resolution footage, it records faster, smoother, longer, and cleaner than any other drone. The world's first compact and foldable drone, you can take your Evo with you anywhere. Flights are safer with our dual GPS/GLONASS satellite positioning and advanced computer vision systems. Number 1. Skydio R1 Self-Flying 4K Camera Smart Drone Janino Underwater Drone Camera 4K UHD ROV Real-Time Viewing, Streaming and Recording, Underwater Inspection and Exploration, Yachting, Education Build 2 DJI Outstanding, 6 thrusters design achieve 360 degrees attitude control, withstand strong currents. Smooth and accurate navigation in 6 directions such as downward, upward, forward, backward, turn left and right. Built-in posture sensor, live video feed. Titan's wireless transmitter uses a 2.4 GHz frequency to connect with controlling devices. Live stream your underwater journey directly to your smart devices and make it possible to view epic moments in real time. Full UHD 4K camera with 160-degree wide-angle LEN Titan action camera captures stunning 4K 30 frames per second video and 1080p photograph resolution. Along with a 160 degrees wide angle, you can capture your most incredible moments. Easy to use. Connect the Titan to its provided wireless transmitter, then link with the transmitter wirelessly using the Janino app for iOS or Android on any smart device and control the Titan right on your screen.